Welcome back everyone, and just like my hair is a mess from being outside in the wind, the crypto market is a gigantic mess right now. Stock market is a mess. The news has been negative the whole day. There's just so much. I was just going to do a video about Biden and talking about his executive decision or action he's going to take on crypto for next week. But then we just get added with more and more Binance stuff. We got, what else do we got? We got the war in the Ukraine that's about to start, Russia. We got all sorts of things. So we're going to sort a few things out. Obviously, to make this video short, if you need to go do something else or whatever, it doesn't look like we're going to be making money on crypto in the next month or 2 months. There's just too much of a mess going on. There's just way too much. A lot. And we're seeing some big sell-offs happen. Obviously, right now we are down with Bitcoin 7%, Ethereum 8%, Binance 5.4%, Solana almost 9%, XRP 8%, Dogecoin is down 6% or whatever. SHIBA is, I think, 7 or 8%. And yes, I know a lot of you asking if I hold SHIBA. I've got about 327 million SHIBA coins and counting. Yes, I did buy back in at an undisclosed time. I was in and out for the last 2 months, like in and out, like within days, you know, or hours. I was getting bored. And yes, so SHIBA was also down 6.6% right now, but I also got a change up here of 6.7. Okay, so it's just everywhere. And obviously Litecoin's down 11%, 8%, yeah. So everything's crazy. I don't know what's gonna happen here, guys. You can obviously keep accumulating, but don't expect to be buying Lambos and mooning this summer. I think there's just way too much going on, way too much negative news, negative press. It's gonna be ugly for a while. You know, originally at the beginning of the year, I thought it was going to be ugly until like mid-February, or, you know, it would have been choppy, but it just keeps getting ugly. The negative news we're getting is every single day now, every single day. So it looks like we're 2 to 3 months out. Actually, my hair really is wow, look at this. The wind here. Live right next to the airport. So, let's go. So Binance had a halt trading in Israel, because there is the financial regulators over there are voicing concerns about market manipulation. Apparently, a lot of big guys over there with money have been manipulating a lot of coins heavily over the last couple weeks. Where is it? So Binance basically stopped because now they're going to examine the issue of licensing. I don't know why. What's going on? Binance's website no longer lists Israel's shekel as a payment option for buying crypto. Okay, so you can still kind of trade, but something's going on in Israel. They could be why we're seeing some major price swings with crypto. Anyone's speculation. I'm not sure. I mean, there is an article on Cointelegraph. I'm looking at it right now. I should have actually had this to share the screen, but it's just too much information. It's all negative. That's just a recap of this video. It's all negative news, all negative. And yes, I know there's gonna be a lot of comments. I'm having a bad hair day. I can see it. I can see myself right now. This is really bad. Oh well. Let's see. Let me go, Mr. And also, there's another. Oh man, there's just so much. There's more tweets coming out now. It's just getting worse. The stock market is getting clobbered right now as well. Dow's dropping over 600 points and going. Ukraine tensions. It's just getting worse. I just recommend turning off your phones, your Twitters, everything, and just wake up tomorrow and see what happens. Maybe Ukraine will be part of Russia again tomorrow. Who knows? It's just a mess, guys. It's a disaster. I am not gonna sell. Obviously, I'm just holding. No, we're going down with the ship. Just hold through this volatile, choppy market. 22. It's gonna get a lot rougher before it gets better. I can tell you that much. It's gonna get a lot rougher. We could see a huge Bitcoin, Ethereum drop, and then it's going to drag all the altcoins down, and the meme coins. That could happen again. I don't know, guys. It's gonna be choppy. So don't be thinking that something can get pumped up so you can unload. It could get ugly before it gets better. We could be looking at 4 to 8 weeks, even 12 weeks, even 6. So 4 to 5 months we could be looking at a mess until things start to even out, and then we could see the next bull run. Though at that point, if it's dropped like 30-40%, going back up to these levels would be a miracle. Who knows? Let me know what you think. Comment below. And yes, okay, make hair jokes as you want. And I will get back to you guys either tonight or tomorrow. Enjoy.